full form of GTA? Answer: Grand Theft Auto. What is the full form of BCCI? Answer: Board of Control for Cricket in India. What is the full form of WHO? Answer: World Health Organization. What is the full form of UNO? Answer: United Nations Organization. What is the full form of ONGC? Answer: Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. What is the full form of NCERT? Answer: National Council of Educational Research and Training. What is the full form of KFC? Answer: Kentucky Fried Chicken. What is the full form of OPEC? Answer: Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. What is the full form of ANI? Answer: Asian News International. What is the full form of TVS? Answer: Tirukkurungudi Vengaram Sundaram. What is the full form of DSLR? Answer: Digital Single Lens Reflex. What is the full form of HDFC? Answer: Housing Development Finance Corporation. What is the full form of Sensex? Answer: Stock Exchange Sensitive Index. What is the full form of CNG? Answer: Compressed Natural Gas. What is the full form of CCTV? Answer: Closed Circuit Television. What is the full form of CDR? Answer: Call Detail Record. What is the full form of IB? Answer: Intelligence Bureau. What is the full form of FCI? Answer: Food Corporation of India. What is the full form of BSNL? Answer: Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. What is the full form of IGNOU? Answer: Indira Gandhi National Open University. What is the full form of DNA? Answer: Deoxyribonucleic acid. What is the full form of Aadhaar? Answer: Unique Identification Authority of India. What is the full form of NDTV? Answer: New Delhi Television. What is the full form of IRCTC? Answer: Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. What is the full form of VIP? Answer: Very important person.
Friends, our next part is coming soon. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel.